Otis got hit by a car that caused his spinal cord injury. He was in a ditch for 3 days until he got rescued. After treatment, I came along, and Otis is now with me.
Hello! Dadan! Kiki! Everybody's here!
When you look at him, you would not see a special needs dog. He's just himself. When it comes to food, he does have food aggression, and he will bite. Probably because he was left on his own for 3 days without food.
Good boy, good leaf. Okay.
Otis is so strong, and he's so healthy. Every single time we go for checkups, the vets would tell us he's as healthy as a horse. We have 4 dogs in the house. Even though something might have failed him, it's just like, it's okay, I'll wake up, and the next day would just be a happy day. I think a lot of us would like to achieve that. I'll tell him thank you for choosing our family. Thank you for teaching us humans to be brave. You'll never have to find another home anymore. I'll be with you. I love you, Otis.
Please subscribe to support us and click the bell icon to get new video updates.